INCRA's metric precision rule is available in two sizes at Woodworkers Workshop, 300mm and 150mm. These are really useful if you're perhaps working internally to a cabinet, trying to mark out shelf or other heights that you're trying to work to. I love this also using it on the drawing board, trying to do any really detailed marking out for a scale drawing, either in the 300 or the 150mm version. Also, because they are flexible, you can use them around the outside of a curve or the internal if you're trying to get some incremental measurements going around some of your work. The INCRA rules are made in the USA using a stainless steel with a non-glare finish. The markings are set out at 1mm at the top and 1mm at the bottom, and also you can go by 1/4 millimetre increments as you come down, so we can mark very, very accurately through the 0.5mm holes. To purchase the INCRA Precision or T-Rules, check us out at woodworkersworkshop.co.uk. Look at our social media and our YouTube channels for far more details of how to use these rulers.